Greetings to the respected faculty. I am Lasya Mandapati from CSC AI&ML B section. My roll number is 24951A6686. Today, I'll be presenting on the topic from bias to brilliance, the impact of artificial intelligence usage on recruitment biases in China. This presentation is a part of the course Applied Artificial Intelligence. Now, recruitment is one of the most important organizational functions because it directly affects careers, productivity, and equality. With the rapid growth of artificial intelligence, hiring decisions are increasingly automated. This presentation examines whether AI helps reduce recruitment bias or whether it unintentionally reinforces existing inequalities, using China as a key case study. Artificial intelligence is now widely used in recruitment to handle large volumes of job applications. AI systems screen resumes, rank candidates, and even conduct automated interviews. The main belief behind using AI is that it can make objective and efficient decisions. Moreover, AI systems depend heavily on data and design choices made by humans. If not carefully managed, AI can reproduce bias instead of eliminating it. This makes it important to study how AI actually impacts recruitment fairness. Recruitment bias refers to unfair treatment of job candidates based on characteristics unrelated to their skills or job performance. These characteristics may include gender, age, region, educational background, or appearance. Traditionally, linked was linked to human judgment. With AI, bias can still exist if algorithms are trained on biased historical data. Instead of personal prejudice, bias becomes systematic and harder to detect, making it much more dangerous. AI is used at multiple stages of recruitment. It screens resumes using keywords, ranks candidates based on suitability, and conducts chat based or video interviews. Some systems analyze facial expressions, speech patterns, and tone of voice. AI is also used to predict job performance and cultural fit. These tools improve efficiency and reduce manual workload. However, their accuracy and fairness depends entirely on how they are trained and evaluated. Why China? Well, China is an important case study because it is one of the largest labor markets in the world and is a global leader in AI adoption. Chinese companies use AI extensively for recruitment, especially in technology and platform based industries. The high competition for jobs makes automated screening attractive. At the same time, China has introduced regulations to make algorithmic decision making, making it a unique environment to study AI and recruitment bias. When designed correctly, AI can help reduce recruitment bias. It applies the same evaluation criteria to all candidates and reduces the influence of human emotions or stereotypes. AI can also further focus on skills and qualifications rather than personal impressions. By processing large data sets consistently, AI has the potential to make hiring more merit based. However, these benefits only occur when the data and models are carefully monitored. Bias enters AI systems mainly through training data. If past hiring data favored certain groups, AI will learn and repeat these patterns. Bias can also arise from proxy variables, such as university names or employment gaps. Additionally, poorly designed algorithms and lack of transparency increase the risk of unfair outcomes. This shows that AI is not accidental, but often a result of design and data choices. Now, what are the real world impacts in China? In China, AI based recruitment has raised concerns related to gender bias, age discrimination, and regional preferences. Automated video interviews may disadvantage candidates with certain accents or facial features. Resume screening systems may favor candidates from elite institutions. These issues highlight that AI can reinforce existing social inequalities if left unchecked, especially in highly competitive job markets. China has introduced laws to regulate AI and data usage. Personal Information Protection Law governs how personal data is collected and processed. Algorithmic regulation policies require transparency and fairness in automated decision making. Employers are expected to prevent discriminatory outcomes and protect candidate rights. These regulations show that governments recognize the risks of unchecked AI in recruitment. Detecting bias in AI requires continuous monitoring. Organizations conduct data audits to check representation across groups. Statistical tests are used to compare hiring outcomes. Human reviews are conducted to verify automated decisions. Bias detection is an ongoing process, not a one time activity. Without regular evaluation, bias systems may continue to operate completely unnoticed. Now, several technical methods can reduce bias in AI systems. These include using diverse and balanced data sets, removing sensitive attributes, and applying fairness aware algorithms. Explainable AI techniques help organizations understand why decisions are made. Regular training and validation of models are also used to reduce long term bias. Technical solutions must be combined with human oversight and guidance. Beyond technical fixes, organizations must adopt ethical practices. Human in the loop systems ensure that final decisions are reviewed by people. Transparency with candidates builds trust. Clear appeal mechanisms allow candidates to challenge the decisions. Ethical guidelines and training for HR teams are also highly essential to ensure that to ensure responsible AI is used in recruitment processes. Now, moving from bias to brilliance requires responsible AI deployment. AI should support human decision making, not replace it. Fairness, transparency, and accountability must be built into systems from the beginning. When used correctly, AI can help organizations hire more inclusively and effectively, as well as efficiently. The focus should be on long term fairness rather than short term efficiency gains. In conclusion, AI has the potential to transform recruitment positively. However, without proper safeguards, it can reinforce existing biases. China's experience highlights both the opportunities and risks of AI driven hiring. A balanced approach that combines technology, regulation, and ethics is essential. Responsible AI can lead to fairer and much more intelligent recruitment systems. Thank you for your attention. I hope that through this presentation, you can understand that with the rapid growth of artificial intelligence, hiring decisions are increasingly automated. And with this presentation, you can also understand that examining whether AI helps reduce recruitment bias or whether it unintentionally reinforces existing inequalities using China as a key case study. Thank you again.